Kanzu signal. Switch off the engine for me. That's the end of the test.
Okay.
How do you think you did?
Now, I can't lie, I failed by the parking. That was shocking. It was horrendous.
Yeah. What do you think went wrong there? What was the main issue?
I think it was like a bit of clutch control as well.
That's it. It was a clutch control. So we're on a slight hill, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if you kept the clutch down when you're reversing, yeah. If you kept the clutch down, where would the car go?
Nowhere.
If it's on a slope.
Oh, it roll back.
Yeah, it'll roll back.
Yeah.
And where did you want it to go?
To roll back.
Yeah. So you didn't need to really bring the clutch up like you were doing.
Okay.
And you had your foot on the brake. The clutch was too high.
Okay.
So the brake was stopping the car. The clutch was trying to move the car. Yeah. And then when you came off the brake, you just shot back every time.
Yeah.
Should have just kept the clutch down.
Okay.
Yeah, and just tapped the brake on and off, and you would have had more control. That was the main issue. Your observations are good. That was the main, and then when you hit the curb, it was quite hard as well.
Yeah.
So overall, because that kept happening, it gave you serious airflow control.
Yeah.
Did you notice any other serious faults?
Now, on the roundabout, one time, or 2 times, I didn't indicate to go onto the roundabout. The rest.
It was one time you indicated was too late, and the other time you didn't do it. You know, when you went the wrong way.
Yeah.
It was a funny shaped roundabout. But you turned left at the roundabout.
Okay.
Yeah, and that can be marked as a serious fault.
Okay.
Yeah. Other serious faults. So you know when I asked you to follow signs to Warsaw, do the first roundabout well. You got a habit of exiting off on the right hand lane. Yeah. You're on the roundabout. If it's safe, you know when you get to the second exit, you're checking your mirrors. You're doing your signal. If it's safe, which lane did you exit off in?
The left one.
The left one.
Okay.
If you exit off in the right, it's not a problem. But there, we had an issue because I said to you, Warsaw's left.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you had about a second to just, about 2 seconds to cut across. In that situation, you know, if you have to do anything last minute that quick, don't do it.
Okay.
There was a blue car there.
Yeah.
How much warning did you give him that you're going to cut across?
Not enough, really.
Exactly. And then what did that guy do? He got a bit angry. What did he do?
Like, when I was going to jump on the dual carriageway, he just cut behind me.
But that was very good observations from you there.
Okay.
Yeah, that was really good observations there. Most lanes would have just gone on, but it wasn't a good thing to just cut across him.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, so he got his own back there. Okay.
Yeah.
So in that kind of situation, just I always say to the learners as well, last minute thing, if you have to rush something, don't do it. Go the wrong way. Okay. Yeah. If I'd kept quiet, you would have probably gone the wrong way. I'm not sure what you would have done. Yeah, but obviously because you had a really good start. You're quite confident. Yeah. You thought your driving was 10 out of 10. Obviously it's brought you back down a little bit. Yeah. Which I think is a good thing sometimes. Yeah. Just need to brush up on a few things. But overall, your driving standard is very, very good for the 5 lessons you've had. Yeah. Another one, emergency stop. Have you done the emergency stop yet with your instructor?
Nah.
So what went wrong with that? You went for the clutch first, and your braking reaction was late.
Okay.
Yeah. It should have been straight away.
Okay.
Yeah. The way you did the braking, the firmness was good. When you thought, I thought I broke your car. Yeah. But it was just late. It should have been straight away. You went for the clutch first. You had about 2 seconds again before the brake came, and then when you moved off, where are you supposed to look?
All round.
Yeah, both blind spots, especially because you're in your normal driving position. Yeah. But if you haven't done it before, I'm pretty sure you'll be fine once you practice it a little bit. One of the roads, the speed limit was 20 miles an hour.
Oh.
Yeah. And I think you noticed that really late. Yeah. Big clue would have been the speed humps.
Okay.
Yeah, if you do miss a sign, there were signs on the floor as well.
Yeah.
Okay, you're doing about 25 there. Okay. And then one of the roundabouts you entered, most of your roundabouts were quite good. Yeah, one of the roundabouts, there was a van coming. The 2 cars next to you, 2 vehicles, I think it was a van or a car, they entered, okay, they were going to go straight or right, and you were going to turn left. There's a van coming. Just because those cars went, you went as well. Those cars got out the way of that van.
Okay.
Yeah, but we were in the path of that van because that van was coming towards us. You slowed that van down a little bit.
Okay,
don't just go because people next to you are going.
Yeah.
Okay, they're going to get out the way of the van. You were not. You would have been in. You were in his way.
Yeah, I thought because obviously them 2 went, so I had like coverage really, but nah.
Okay, you get that?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, but overall, a good standard of driving. Get your test booked. Yeah. Okay. A few lessons with your instructor, and whatever you're doing driving wise with your parents, keep that up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions?
Nah, that's it really.
Thank you very much, Godswill, for coming down and do the mock test.
Yeah.
And guys, like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.